Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Louie! Blow the candle.
Blow the candle ko na. Anong wish mo yun?
Oy, di nag... Guys, si Ate Janice, ito yung napakasarap magluto. Ito naman si Japper at si Tita Lee.
Taga-kaon.
Nagluto rin naman siya, guys. Ayan. Salamat sa pagluto. Ito naman ang... Ano ka?
Tagagain.
Tagakain. Ito. Ano to?
Tagakain din.
Tagakain.
Tagakain. Yay!
So, ayun guys, ito yung birthday celebrant si Jalid. So, ngayon mag-open na sila ng kanilang mga gift from Tita Lynn. From Tita Lynn.
Hello, it's
open
my
na yung gift.
birthday.
Okay, open na. Open na, go, open. Open.
Open it, Mommy.
Oh, i-open na. Gagayahin mo si Kuya, oh. Sit down ka doon, dali sabay kayo mag-open. Open na, open. Kumao ang isa. Open. Go, Javid, you open. Open mo.
Wow!
Open. Oh, open.
Wow!
Bungag sa ipuson.
Are you happy, Kuya?
Yeah.
Ano yan? Para yan sa
Beach.
beach. Ayan, you like it, Jabin?
Yeah. Hey, look.
Okay.
It's a starfish right here.
Yeah. Thank you po, Tita Lynn.
Kabul.
So, today guys ay birthday ng aking firstborn son, Jalid De Los Santos Obiñeta. Ayan, wish ko sa'yo anak, lumaki kang mabait, masipag, mapagmahal, matalino, like daddy, at higit sa lahat may takot sa Allah. Ayan, so enjoy your day anak. Nandito lang kami ng mami, ng daddy, ng mga kapatid mo para sa'yo. Ayan, mag-aral ng mabuti kasi next year is grade 1 ka na. Kailangan nang matulog ng maaga at gumising ng maaga. Ayan, thank you so much anak kasi isa ka sa nagbibigay ng saya sa ating pamilya dahil napakabungis-ngis mo. Ayan, super bungis-ngis ka. At saka salamat dahil inaalagaan mo si Bunso. Ayan, nag-aalaga ka kay Bunso, sa kapatid mo. Nauutusan na kita mag-akyat baba sa hagdan. Ayan. Thank you so much. Sana hindi ka magbago. Ayan, I love you so much talaga, anak. I'm so happy na ikaw yung anak ko na super bait, super talino. Ayan, super mabait at matulungin sa mga kapatid. Ayan, I love you so much, anak. Alam ko makikita mo rin to someday pag nasa tamang edad ka na at marunong ka nang makaintindi. Ayan. Thank you so much, anak. Salamat sa pagmamahal. I love you, I love you.
Yan. Happy birthday, Jalid. Today is the birthday of, sixth birthday of Jalid, my dear son. No, I was the happiest and the luckiest father when he was born, because that was already the birthday of our Prophet Muhammad Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. During that time, it was in celebration of Maulid al-Nabi. So my wish is my son Jalid will grow up as smart as he is, no, as healthy as he is, no, as a good boy as he is, as fearful as he is. No. Jalid is very good in memorizing Quran, no? Memorizing a text in the Quran, no, or a verse in the Quran. I wish that he could become a religious, no, a religious when he grow up, no, following the teaching of Islam. So Jalid, happy birthday! I love you, anak, and keep safe, be smart, always and always. Love you. Happy birthday.